Hi, my name is Dan, product specialist at MFX, and today I'm going to show you the POWERSHOT II. This POWERSHOT is a compact shot unit that fires electric confetti or streamer cannons. The two lock clamps inside the cannon tube makes it possible to replace the cannon quick and easy. By pulling the plunger, you can adjust the angle of the cannon in multiple positions, safe and easy. The LED indicator gives you a visual cue to make sure everything is well connected and ready for action. The power in and output of the POWERSHOT II require powerCON True 1 connectors. These type of connectors makes it easy to link multiple cables or devices to each other. For example, if you like to use multiple POWERSHOTs at once, you just need to connect the link cables to the powerCON connectors. Together with the POWERSHOT, you can shoot 50 or 80 cm electric confetti or streamer cannons. 50 cm confetti cannons can shoot up to 8 meters, 80 cm cannons can shoot up to 12 meters, 50 cm streamer cannons can shoot up to 12 meters, and 80 cm streamer cannons can shoot up to 20 meters. To ensure the POWERSHOT is stable and safe enough to fire, you can use a MFX baseplate. Allows you to mount up to 4 POWERSHOTs. If you want to mount it on a truss, you can use a clamp or coupler. For added extra safety, use a cannon clamp to secure the cannon. For controlling multiple effects with a single device, the FX Commander is your go-to solution. To operate a POWERSHOT with a DMX controller, you can use a FX switchback. This device allows you to convert a signal into a power on or off signal. You can also use the red button to control the POWERSHOT. This simple tool provides an easy and fast way to trigger the unit. For example, the red button is often used for opening ceremonies or gender reveals. The POWERSHOT can be controlled by a 230 volt on-off switch, like a red button, FX Commander or FX switchback. Setting up the POWERSHOT is really simple. First of all, mount it on the baseplate or truss, then connect the power cables, place the cannon in the POWERSHOT, set your angle, connect the cannon cables into the POWERSHOT, connect your controller. As soon as the switch is on, the unit will immediately fire the cannon. The POWERSHOT II is a compact shot unit that will fire electric confetti or streamer cannons. It's easy to set up and you can shoot confetti up to 12 meters and streamers up to 20 meters. For more information about the POWERSHOT II, click on the link in the description. You might also find these videos interesting.